How we doing, guys? It is a Friday roundup video. You guys hold on to your seats this next week. I just went over, this video is for all of our members, just giving you guys an update of what we went over this week. And if you guys happen to be new to this channel, you'll get to see everything we're working on over here. We just went over 8 charts that some of them are undeniably bullish. Like, okay, if you guys, I want to be careful how I say this because I'm not a financial advisor, and especially with our members hearing this, I know it's going to stimulate a lot of you guys, but I have like undeniable evidence that I just showed you guys this morning that Bitcoin is probably going to blow up next week and start one of the craziest bull runs we've seen in the last 2 years. Like you'll look at the data and you'll be like, yeah, I'm convinced. Like Travis is correct. We're going to blast off. And then there's other data, which actually, how about this? I'll show this other data to you guys in this video that shows that we're going to crash 48% in the market coming in the next like 3 months. It is so polarizing right now that I'm telling our members, please do not take another trade. I just posted out. Please do not take another trade before you guys look at these charts. This is not clickbait of like, oh, I'm just trying to get you guys to pay for our membership. Pay the $59 a month, guys. We've spent hours and hours conducting this research. It is 13 years worth of research that looks at the macro events of what's happened with Bitcoin. And we look specifically at the last halving events and the cycles that have happened with the price action. And we see some insanely bullish signals that literally show next week, literally what a week, it's going to be the week of August 7th. We are going to blow up. And then there's signs that we absolutely crash next week. So any YouTuber out there right now that is super confident, he's like, I know for a fact we're going to go up. Watch this data because I have emphatical evidence that we're going to go down. Anyone that says we're going to absolutely go down, I'll prove to you guys, and you will agree with me because I'll show you the data. You're like, no, we're not going down. We're going straight up next week. So it's really hard. So give all your YouTubers some grace right now, but I have a strategy of how we're going to trade this and that I show you guys in the membership. So again, members watching this video, make sure you guys are watching the future forecast. And if you guys don't have a membership, I'll put a link in the description. If you're brand new, it's $59 a month. Sign up today after this video and watch the future forecast. All right, scalping trades real quick, and then I want to show you guys that one of the studies that we're going to drop, okay? It's insane. We're 59 wins, 0 losses on our scalping trades, and we're doing very good. So we're a total of 236% profit called out. We are 2,360% higher than the S&P 500, 59 wins, 0 losses, and we just called out, I actually just called out 4 more trades this morning. Now, let me be honest with you guys. This is my personal trading book. We are not telling anyone to take these trades. We're not financial advisors. We can't tell you like, everybody take these trades. No. This is my personal trading book and that I'm opening up to the public for you guys, and anyone in the public can see our track record of performance. Right now, we hold the highest win record ever recorded on YouTube for scalping trades for crypto, and it's been doing really, really well. We are absolutely crushing anybody who's holding crypto right now as far as the scalping trades over and over again, especially for people holding altcoins with the 20% crash we had like 3 weeks ago. So this is what we're calling out in the membership as well if you guys want to join that, and I'll talk about that later. Links in the description. Click it, sign up. It's easy. It's on the website. I want to show you guys this study. Can I just do this real quick? You guys are about to see a study that shows that we are due for a 48% crash in crypto. But please do this for me. I'm going to show you this, but in that membership future forecast, I've got about 5 charts that invalidates everything I'm about to show you. But here's what you're going to have a hard time with right now. You're going to look at this and you're going to agree with me that this is what has happened, and this is actually maybe programmed into Bitcoin. It's so hard. You guys just need to accumulate. You need to accumulate as much data as possible right now to make wise decisions. Look at this. I want to take you guys to the past 2 halving cycles. I'm going to zoom in here for everybody. This is where we're currently at, where it says here. This is the past halving cycle, and this is 2 halving cycles ago, which is circled in the orange circle here. Look at this. If you guys come over here and look at what's happened, this is why we've been calling this. This is July 6th. So July and August, this is on the weekly time frame. From July moving all the way down here, we've moved down 50%, 49.14% is what we saw as a drop in the market. Okay, this wasn't any crazy macro events happening. This is the price action moving down. So remember this. 2 halving cycles ago, we ended up dropping 49%. Now, I'm going to show you guys the previous halving cycle before the one that we're obviously coming up into. And the peak over here was in June and July. So if you guys take a look at, let's just say August 5th. Let's go to August 5th right here, and we're on August 4th. So this is pretty close. Go to the high of the candle and go straight down to here. This is a 48 8.04% drop in the market. No macro events. This is the macro event right here. This is COVID. Okay, this is the COVID drop. I'm not even counting the COVID drop, which dropped us over 60%. There has been the last two halving cycles for Bitcoin from the month of July and August moving down to, let me give you guys the date, down to the end of the year, December 9th, we see on average a 48% drop in the market. So what are you going to do with that data? Like you guys can see right here that Bitcoin has dropped. And here's the reasoning behind it. I think this is because the whales make money going up into third quarter, and then fourth quarter, before a halving event, they crash the price because they want to reacquire crypto as low as possible. So they make the most money going into quarter two, which is April of 2024, where the halving event is going to take place. Does that make sense? That makes all sense to everybody, right? Okay, that's the crash and reasoning. But there's other data that shows that this market is going to take off literally starting Monday. We have moving averages that are about to cross over. I have a line called the millionaire line that if you guys watch this line in this future forecast, I'm telling you, it is literally called the bull runs for the last 3 cycles. And to the exact candle on the weekly time frame, it is called the drops. And it is literally one line. It's like, I don't want to make it call like, oh, it's a magical line, but we are literally deeming this and coining this the millionaire line because it's going to make people so much money. So I don't make this a long video. I'll do one more analysis here, show you guys a percentage of, actually, let me do it right now and I'll come back to this. I want to share one more thing. Here's the deal. Can I just be like really frank with you guys right now? Some of you guys are watching this video. You've never seen our channel before. You have no idea who I am. I'm Travis Martin, the founder of Trade Confident. And you're like, oh, this guy's just trying to sell me a membership. I'm telling you guys, truthfully, in my heart, if you guys get this membership, it's $59 a month. I promise you, I spend so much time looking at this data. You need to do this for yourself going into the next week or the next quarter. We show you data that I promise you are not looking at. And just to be honest, guys, we don't release this to YouTube because we spend hours and hours accumulating this data for people who are paying for people to work extra hard to accumulate all this data to present to them. That is why we charge for it. Okay, let me give you guys some stuff here real quick to kind of move into this, and we'll go back to the future forecast before we end. Right now, trades in favor. You're sitting at a 59% chance of a drop on the weekly, a 53% chance of a pump on the daily. You are looking at a 71% chance of a drop on the 4-hour and a 15-minute time frame. You're at an 83% chance of a drop. This means on the lower time frames, we are looking for Bitcoin to head back down. In this future forecast, I'm going to talk about that. And then I'm going to show you guys a logarithmic rainbow chart where all of this bearish data, a 48% drop, I believe there's going to be one number that we're going to stall, that Bitcoin's going to stall at. And I literally have it written down right here on my notes, and I'm going to share that with you guys. And then at the end of this, I will show you guys how I plan on saving myself tens of thousands of dollars, all of you guys as members watching this video. I know how to get you guys to save yourself tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, when you guys exit crypto. And it actually has to do with looking at the peak of crypto, and you need to work backwards. I'm telling you guys, people are not covering this on YouTube, and you guys will see this. So snag a membership, right after this video, get a membership, watch and treat yourself. Go to a coffee shop, put your earbuds in, and watch this stuff. August 4th, I'm going to show you 8 charts that you guys are going to see. We're going to crash or we're going to pump. Then watch July 31st, which is the 8 exact coins with the most bullish signal on them that they're about to break out. And then I'm going to actually partner this up and show you guys what BlackRock is looking to invest into. And you guys will be able to actually see the coins with the highest probability of pumps coming into the market. And then if you want, go to July 28th, all relevant data, by the way. And I'm going to show you guys the coins that are high, that have the highest chance of doing 10x. That is 1,000% by 2025. And you guys can just keep going down here if you want and just keep looking at all of this. You guys will get so... Here's a quote that I heard, and I'll leave you guys with this. The only thing differentiating you from successful traders and maybe where you're currently at, we just have data that you don't have right now. And when you guys pay, here's what you're doing. You are paying to not have the pain. So the pain that I've been through of losing a lot of money, of working with all these traders, working with hedge funds that are literally $10 billion hedge funds, I've worked with these people. I've gone through the pain in the years of learning all this. What I can do for you is I can skip all that pain for you of having to suffer, of trying to figure all this out, and we charge a small amount. We ask you guys to pay for the pain that we've been through so we can speed you up to success way, way faster. And this is why we read books. This is why we look at other mentors. We pay for other people people's pain because they have the breakthrough that we want and we need to have in our lives. That is what we're offering to you guys. So I don't mean to turn this into like a sales video, whatever. Those of you, guys know my heart. That's not the thing. I just know we have data over here that's really going to help you guys. So in the description, click join membership. I'm so sorry. I have this shrunk so you guys can see my face. But at the top right of tradeconfident.io, there's a subscribe button. It's just $59 a month. First thing I want you guys to do, get into the Telegram channel. We're calling all of our scalping trades out right there. Then what I want you guys to do, take a look at the trade setups. 4 more were called just this morning. If you guys want to get into that, that's up to you. That's my personal journal. And then make sure you guys go to Future Forecast. This is where we're trading the $250,000 account up and over $1 million. And we actually just grew the account's up $4,000 within the last 6 hours. So keeping everything transparent, guys, I have $234,356 in crypto, and I am confident I can get us up to over $1 million, and that's to 4x this past the halving event. And I'll show you guys exactly how we're doing that in the future forecast. All right, guys, members, please watch this. If you guys are brand new and you've never noticed before, I highly recommend, guys, after this video, get the membership. You guys will get so much data, and you guys, you will immediately go. I want to say you go to pro status trader, but you'll see data that no one else is covering on YouTube. I promise you that. All right, guys. God bless you guys. Have an amazing Friday. Have a very blessed weekend. And I'm going to be back on here Tuesday with all of our members to share with you guys more data of how to grow our accounts. All right. I love you guys. I'll leave links in the description, and we'll see you guys in the membership. Bye, guys.